Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my review of this light, the Thrunite Catapult Pro. As you can see, it has texture for grip, it has a lit side switch, has a lanyard hole there, and it has a very wide and deep reflector well. It's got a smooth reflector. Here are the stats on the light. So as you can see, the maximum lumens 2,713, but check out the maximum beam distance, 1,005 meters. It comes with a number of accessories. You've got Type-C to USB recharging cable for rapid recharging. Comes with a lanyard, spare O-rings, spare port covers as well, and it comes with this belt sheath, which has a loop here. Is this Velcro flap. It also comes with a battery. Let's take a look at that right now. Unscrew the head from the body. Alright, this is a 26650 lithium-ion battery. In order to recharge that battery in the light, hook it up to any USB power source with your recharging cable. That is a power bank. It's a charging port. Now when it is recharging, the indicator light will glow red. I don't know if you can see, but that's red. When it is fully charged, it will glow blue. To turn the light on, press the side switch. To turn it off, press the side switch. When it is on, if you press and hold, it will change the brightness level. As you see, it's getting brighter. Alright, so that's the maximum, and it blinks. Press and hold again, and it will decrease, and it will blink when it gets to the lowest. There you go. But now the maximum, that's considered the high mode. Right, so that's high mode. But if you double tap, you can get to turbo. You'll see that better when we go outside. Wow. All right, warning, triple tap brings strobe, which we're going to do now. And that is the strobe. This also has a firefly mode. From off, if you long press, you get to an ultra low mode. Alright, don't worry, it will be ultra low, but that is firefly. At this time, I am going to roll in the outside testing and demonstration footage, and then we'll come back for final thoughts on this light. Alright, we're going to go through the full ramp. This is the lowest. Alright, let's go. There you go. Now let's do turbo. Wow. Warning, we're going to strobe. And there is the strobe. And last I will show you the firefly mode. Okay, there is the firefly mode. And once again to turbo. Wow. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm out on the road testing out this Thrunite light. I'm on the bike, getting a little bit of exercise as I'm doing my job here. All right, let's see what this can do pointed down the road. Let me turn it up. Okay, so definitely a little humidity in the air tonight, but still, look how well it's doing. I hope you're all doing well these days. It's a really nice night out. Nice night for a ride, definitely. Here's a top view beam shot of this Thrunite light. Wow. Alright, so there's the top view. Look at those angles. The beautiful geometry of physics. And there it is down the road. The opposite bank. Down the creek. Now notice how focused that hotspot is. That's going to be awesome when we get to the sports field. Alright, easily goes to the treetops. Can you see the water? It's like daytime, look at that. I can see everything. I'm up on the banks of the creek. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're on the sports field. I'm standing in one goal. We're going to try to cross the field with this Thrunite light. Let's go turbo. Okay, where is it? Wow. So there you go. From goal to goal. Yeah, I'm way back here. This light just this light just dominates the field test. Yeah, this ultra long range light. That's impressive. I mean, look how far it's going. It's going back to that. There's a small goal behind it, and it's reaching that one. Oh, sorry for the wobbly. Awesome and impressive. I found an abandoned building, like way abandoned, in the middle of nowhere. Holy crap, this is creepy. It's a crack house. There's like gang markings on here. There's a freaking dungeon. This place is creepy as hell, man. Anybody here? Okay, YouTube, we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. So, what are my final thoughts on this Thrunite light? The range on this is incredible. I mean, easily will spotlight a man-sized target at a couple hundred meters, definitely. Now let's talk about range. Let's say that you had to see something that was 200 meters away. What would the max beam distance on your light be that would be desirable? Like what would you want for max beam distance? If you said 200 meters, I'm sorry, you're wrong, because if max beam distance is 200, you're only going to see 1/4 of a lumen per square meter at 200 meters. So what I'm telling you is that if you have to look at something that's 100 or 200 meters away, you want something like this, whose max beam distance is way more than that, like over 1,000, because at normal distances, which for me, I'm not going to see anything beyond 200 meters because I don't have the eyes of an eagle or a hawk, right? So for the distances that I would use it at, 200 meters or less, this is incredible. This will dominate. You will clearly see, like I said, a man-sized target at those distances. Generally, if I can only carry one light, I want to carry a thrower, because if I have to see over a wider area, I can simply pan this back and forth and make do with that. But if you have a floodlight, the flooder cannot do what the thrower can do as far as looking at targets in long range. So yeah, that's why I like throwers such as this. I checked the price. They're about $100 right now. That's pretty reasonable. Battery is included. It's a high quality light. Okay, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.